Namaste and welcome. You spent 15 years in school, 3 to 5 years in college, and nobody taught you how money actually works. That's not just a gap. That's a financial trap. Because here's the shocking truth. Most people don't struggle because they earn less. They struggle because they never learned how money behaves. And in this video, I'm going to give you 7 money lessons that can literally change your financial life. Not theory. Real, practical, India-relevant systems you can start today. Plus insider professional tips, and the exact mistakes that silently destroy wealth. If you like content that actually helps you grow financially, just hit like once. It tells me to make more like this. Let's start with the one lesson that flips everything. First question. Why do some people earn 10x more with the same degree? Real example. 2 engineers graduate together. One earns rupees 30,000. The other crosses 3 Indian rupees lakh. Same degree. Different life. Insight. Money is not linked to effort. It is linked to value. But here's the deeper professional truth. Value equals rare skill times demand times problem solved. Most people only increase effort. Top earners increase leverage. Action. Don't just learn skills. Learn skills that solve expensive problems. Example. Basic Excel 20,000 Indian rupees job. Advanced automation plus dashboards 1 Indian rupee lakh plus. Professional tip. Always ask, does this skill save time or make money for someone? If yes, it pays. Mistake to avoid? Learning random skills from YouTube without application. Reason. Knowledge without monetization equals zero financial value. Simple system. Learn, apply, earn, repeat. Micro reward. Your first 10,000 Indian rupees from skill will change how you see money forever. Next question. I earn money, but where does it disappear? Real story. 40,000 Indian rupees salary, 2,000 Indian rupees left at month end. Insight. Income doesn't create wealth. Structure does. 50-30-20 rule is good. But professionals upgrade it. Action. Use 20-20-60. 20% investing. 20% savings, emergency fund. 60% living. And automate everything. Professional tip. Have 3 separate accounts. Salary account. Expense account. Investment account. This removes decision fatigue. Mistake to avoid? Increasing lifestyle with every salary hike. Reason. Lifestyle inflation traps you at the same financial level forever. Example. 10,000 Indian rupees salary hike, 10,000 Indian rupees new expenses. Result 0 progress. Smart move? Increase investments first, lifestyle later. Next question. Stock market feels risky, should I avoid it? Insight. Avoiding stock market is actually riskier. Because inflation silently eats your money. Professional insight. The biggest wealth creators globally all used equity. Action. Start with index investing. Nifty 50 or Sensex funds. No need to overthink. Professional tip. Follow this rule. Time in market, timing the market. Mistake to avoid? Checking portfolio daily. Reason. Emotional decisions kill returns. Example. Markets fall, panic, sell, loss, locked. Markets rise, regret. Better approach? Ignore noise, stay consistent. Hidden insight? Most people fail in investing. Not because of bad choices, but because they quit early. Next question. I don't understand stocks, what's the easier way? Insight. Mutual funds are not less returns. They are less mistakes. Action. Start SIP. 1 index fund. 1 flexicap fund. That's enough. Professional tip. Increase SIP every year by 10 to 15%. This is called Step Up SIP. Example. 5,000 Indian rupees, 6,000 Indian rupees, 7,000 Indian rupees. Huge long-term impact. Mistake to avoid? Stopping SIP during market crash. Reason. Crashes are when you buy cheap. Example. COVID crash investors got some of the best returns. Simple rule. Market down equals opportunity up. At this point, if you have a question, please comment. Next question. How do I secure my future, not just today? Insight. Retirement is not about age. It's about financial independence. Action. Use 3-layer strategy. NPS for tax plus retirement. Equity SIP for growth. Hybrid funds for stability. Professional tip: target corpus, not random investing. Example: need 1 Indian rupee crore plan backwards. Mistake to avoid? Depending only on FD or savings. Reason: they don't beat inflation. Hidden truth? Safe feels safe, but it quietly makes you poor. Aha moment: growth requires calculated risk. Next question: credit card is helpful or dangerous? Insight: credit card is a tool, but most people use it as a trap. Action: golden rule: if you can't pay in full, don't spend. Professional tip: set autopay for full amount. Mistake to avoid? Minimum due payment. Reason: interest can go 30 to 40% annually. Example: 1 Indian rupee lakh 1.6 Indian rupees lakh repayment. Another mistake: using credit card to impress lifestyle. Truth: nobody remembers your spending, but you pay for it for years. Smart use: rewards plus credit score building. Next question: should I buy a house or stay on rent? Insight: buying a house is emotional, but decision must be financial. Action: use this simple test. If EMI greater than 30 to 35% of income, you're stretching too much. Professional tip: always calculate opportunity cost. Example: 30,000 Indian rupees EMI vs 15,000 Indian rupees rent plus 15,000 Indian rupees investment. After 10 years, investor wins financially. Mistake to avoid: buying too early. Reason: it kills flexibility plus investments. Smart move: rent early, buy later when stable. Now let's close the loop. Remember the first lesson: value creation? Here's the connection: higher income, higher investment, faster compounding. If income is low, even best investments won't help much. That's why skill plus money management plus investing must work together. Strong summary: earn by creating value. Control spending with systems. Invest early and consistently. Avoid emotional mistakes. Think long term. Do this, and your financial life will look completely different in 5 years. If you want more real, practical financial and educational systems like this, subscribe now, and tell me in comments which lesson hit you the hardest, because your answer might change your next 10 years. Namaskar, and I'll see you in the next